To create a new demographic question, we would go to Admin, and under Member Database, select Demographics. You'll see default categories, registration questions, and generic demographics. You will also notice custom categories. This option is only needed if you have certain questions you wish to hide from subpartners. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will create a question in generic demographics. As you can see, this area is used to maintain hidden demographics. To access the questions, select the Questions tab. To create a new demographic, click the Add New Questions link. Let's use client type that we created earlier. The first option to appear is reference. This is an optional code used to refer to the question elsewhere, like when importing members, advanced demographics in Campaign Manager, or for API integration. By selecting Advanced mode, this question will be displayed automatically in the Advanced Demographic mode of new campaigns. A reference must be entered above. Opt-out page means that this question will appear when people choose to unsubscribe. So depending on the question, you could display this on your opt-out page to entice members to stay in your database. The question area allows you to customize how a question reads. For example, let's say, what type of client are you? There are a few answer format options. The most common is the default response of written response. This can be a free-form text field where the response can be a single line of text, multiple lines of text, whole numbers, or date specific. Other options include multiple choice single answer or multiple choice multiple answers. So instead of a free-form option to the answer, you would select a checkbox. Finally, there is profile attribute. This particular answer format will allow you to select from standard profile attributes such as given name, family name, and email. Profile attributes are best suited to update your detailed surveys, which we'll use more extensively in the survey tutorials. The placeholder functionality allows you to display the answer for this question in an email. We will cover this further in the placeholder tutorial. In this example, let's create a multiple choice single answer question. As you can see, some different options appear. For the input style, it is generally advisable to let the system choose for you. However, if you know the answer type you require, you have the option to have your question display as checkboxes or a drop-down list. Choices allow you to define what answers people choose. Predefined values range from 1 to 5, satisfaction level, and yes/no questions. In this example, we need to define our own answer options. Code is used to represent what is on your spreadsheet. The answer text can be whatever you require. Let's save to make sure we don't lose our data so far. To illustrate the difference, this is what the question looked like before we made the question multiple choice. This is what it looks like after.